1. When developing a VW technician training program, which instructional method best supports adult learning? A. Long lectures without hands-on practice. B. Hands-on diagnostics with real vehicle scenarios. C. Memorizing repair manuals without application. D. Instructor-centered lectures only. 2. A mentor guiding a new VW technician should prioritize A. Immediate independent repairs. B. Modeling diagnostic procedures and explaining reasoning. C. Limiting observation opportunities. D. Avoiding questions to prevent confusion. 3. To evaluate a technician's ability to perform brake system diagnostics, the most effective method is A. Written multiple choice test. B. Hands-on brake inspection and testing simulation. C. Reading the service manual. D. Attendance checklist. 4. When teaching Volkswagen electronic control and ECU diagnostics, the first step should be to A. Present all diagnostic tools at once. B. Demonstrate ECU reading and fault code interpretation. C. Focus solely on memorizing fault codes. D. Skip practical application. 5. Adult learners in VW certification programs are most motivated by A. Passive note-taking. B. Real-world job-relevant exercises. C. Random assignments. D. Theory-only lectures. 6. A valid assessment of engine performance testing skills is A. Written test on engine theory. B. Hands-on dynamometer testing. C. Group discussion. D. Watching a demonstration video. 7. Effective mentoring in automotive repair involves A. Immediate constructive feedback. B. Allowing repeated errors without correction. C. Public criticism. D. End-of-course feedback only. 8. Clear communication with service managers during diagnostics requires A. Technical jargon exclusively. B. Clear, concise language with actionable recommendations. C. Minimal explanation. D. Avoiding discussion. 9. Ethics in VW service emphasizes A. Personal judgment over safety standards. B. Accuracy, safety, and integrity in repairs. C. Speed over quality. D. Profit-driven outcomes. 10. Competency in using scan tools is best assessed by A. Written quiz. B. Observed hands-on use on vehicles. C. Group brainstorming. D. Reading manuals. 11. When teaching hybrid vehicle maintenance, the most critical learning objective is A. Memorizing battery specifications. B. Safe handling, inspection, and service of high-voltage components. C. Writing essays. D. Learning the history of hybrid technology. 12. To enhance retention in diagnostic training, instructors should A. Provide case-based fault scenarios. B. Assign memorization tasks. Use unrelated examples. D. Passive video watching. 13. VW technicians must adhere to regulatory compliance, which includes A. Ignoring safety protocols. B. Following EPA, OSHA, and local regulations. C. Focusing solely on vehicle repair. D. Avoiding legal procedures. 14. Learner motivation improves most when A. Content is abstract. B. Exercises are realistic and relevant. C. Lessons are overly complex. D. Guidance is limited. 15. Developing teamwork skills in service bays is best achieved through A. Independent study. B. Collaborative repair tasks with debriefs. C. Silent observation. D. Individual assignments only. 16. A summative assessment for transmission diagnostics should be A. Written essay only. B. Hands-on evaluation during a supervised repair. C. Peer evaluation. D. Attendance sheet. 17. Sequencing a VW technician curriculum is most effective when A. Random order of topics. B. Start with fundamentals, Progress to complex systems. C. Advanced topics first. D. Alphabetical order. 18. Evaluating understanding of emission system troubleshooting is best done through A. Practical diagnostic exercises. B. Reading assignments only. C. Group debates. D. Memorization. 19. Effective mentoring requires A. Timely, actionable feedback. B. Avoiding correction. C. Focusing on minor details only. D. Passive observation. 20. Training in hybrid system failures should emphasize A. General knowledge only. B. Safe procedures, diagnosis and repair. C. Speed over safety. D. History of electric vehicles. 21. Communication training for technicians is most effective when A. Increasing word use. B. Clear, concise, and accurate communication with service teams. C. Using complex technical jargon. D. Minimizing verbal communication. 22. When trainees misdiagnose a fault, the best adjustment is A. Repeat theory lectures. B. Guided practical exercises with real vehicles. C. Shorten the lesson. D. Remove content. 23. Competency in using lifting equipment is best assessed by A. Written definitions. B. Observed proper operation in simulations. C. Watching a video. D. Memorization. 24. Case studies in automotive diagnostics are most effective when A. Realistic and actionable. B. Abstract and hypothetical. C. Client data is excluded. D. Unsolvable. 25. If a trainee ignores safety protocols during repairs, the best response is A. Public reprimand. B. Private corrective coaching with explanation. C. Ignoring behavior. D. Immediate removal. 26. A course covering recall repairs should prioritize A. Correct diagnosis, procedural compliance, and communication. B. Facility aesthetics. C. Historical timelines. D. Financial aspects. 27. Assessment validity in ECU reprogramming requires A. Demonstrated correct procedure. B. Written test only. C. Include unrelated content. D. Essay. 28. To teach complex VW electronic systems, the best aid is A. Visual wiring diagrams and flowcharts. B. Long verbal descriptions. C. Memorization drills. D. Fast-paced lectures. 29. The primary benefit of high-fidelity vehicle simulations is A. Entertainment. B. Realistic replication of diagnostic and repair scenarios. C. Reduced instructor involvement. D. Faster grading. 30. Teaching turbocharger maintenance effectively requires A. Hands-on supervised practice. B. Reading only assignments. C. Avoiding interaction. D. Written tests only. 31. Online VW modules are most effective when they include A. Interactive simulations with knowledge checks. B. PDFs only. C. Long recorded lectures. D. Complex navigation. 32. Field service training should prioritize A. Real vehicles, real faults, and real-time troubleshooting. B. Written papers. C. Memorization lists. D. Passive observation. 33. To assess competency in repair documentation, the best method is A. Structured report writing exercises with feedback. B. Spelling tests. C. Open-ended conversation. D. Essay only. 34. When diagnosing intermittent electrical issues, the most effective approach is A. Replacing all components randomly. B. Using systematic troubleshooting with proper diagnostic tools. C. Ignoring the issue if it is not constant. D. Only referring to the service manual. 35. A VW technician training session should incorporate learning analytics to A. Punish low performers. B. Track progress, identify gaps, and tailor instruction. C. Replace hands-on training. D. Only focus on test scores. 36. Effective mentoring in the service bay includes A. Allowing the trainee to work without supervision immediately. Explaining the rationale behind each diagnostic and repair decision. C. Limiting explanations to reduce confusion. D. Avoiding corrections to maintain confidence. 37. When instructing on software updates for VW vehicles, the best teaching strategy is A. Demonstrate live updates with guided learner participation. B. Provide a PDF of update instructions only. C. Ask learners to memorize version numbers. D. Skip practical demonstration. 38. To evaluate a trainee's skill in engine fault code analysis, the most valid method is A. Written quiz of fault code meanings. B. Hands-on analysis using diagnostic scanners on real vehicles. C. Lecture-based explanation. D. Watching a video demonstration. 39. Incorporating adult learning principles in VW technician programs most effectively involves A. Passive lecture delivery. B. Problem-solving tasks, real-world scenarios, and collaborative learning. C. Memorization of technical manuals only. D. Avoiding interactive discussions. 40. When teaching advanced drivetrain diagnostics, the most important focus is A. Memorizing gear ratios. B. Understanding symptoms, using diagnostic tools, and performing systematic tests. C. Reading historical vehicle design documents. D. Watching repair videos without interaction.